There will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky are beautiful pair of drinking mahal. And today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball league. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let me hear you say Sassy! Sassy! Sassy!
Sassy.
And all the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear you say Rocky! 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 Alright, girls ready. Trainers ready. Set, go! Here's Rocky's first ball. Followed only by Sassy. Another ball from Rocky. And it's on time for the last ball. Who's gonna win? And Rocky wins! What a close game. What do you say about the trainer and G? You guys lose this time.
Hold it. We want another race.
Oh, she wants another race. Trainer first.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
Well, I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what is a ring race?
The first pair to drop 3 rings into the bowl, the fastest the winner, and that's a ring race.
So the ring race it shall be. Remember guys, that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again and this time, a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rocky's first ring, followed only by Sassy. Another ring from Rocky. Three rings. Another set. And the winner is Sassy.
Parang tayo ang natutuwa si Jordy Cooper.